Look, Aston Villa, I don't know who is sending you. I don't know who is sponsoring you. I don't know who is behind you. Okay? I don't know what is going on. Aston Villa. But you see that your fairy tale journey, that your fairy tale run ends tomorrow at the Emirates Stadium. I am telling you now, with that your fairy tale run ends tomorrow at the Emirates Stadium. If this match came about 2 weeks ago or a month ago, I would be scared. But guys, it's tomorrow. I have my Gabriel back. I have my Gabriel back. Your fairy tale run ends tomorrow. I don't care who you are. I don't care who is sending you. I don't care who is sponsoring you. I don't care who is behind you. I don't know who is paying you for this. That your fairy tale run ends tomorrow at the Emirates Stadium. Simple as that. Excuse me.